Escape autopilot. Silver isn't growth. Did you click because you feel stuck on autopilot? You're busy all day and nothing really moves? Are you stuck? Working hard but still broke and confused? Trying to feel confident but caught in FOMO and scroll mode? We were all told the American dream looked like this: go to college, get a job, buy a house, retire comfortably. That used to work. Now it leads to student debt, dead-end jobs, financial stress, and 60% of Gen Z feel lost about their future. We need a different plan. One that actually leads to freedom, clarity, and purpose. Meet Stuck. He looks like reality, but he's the voice that keeps you small, safe, and stuck. Stuck says, what if I fail? LionUP says, what if I succeed? But here's the truth. Stuck lies. Every time you choose to lion up instead of listening to Stuck, you take one step closer to your gold zone. Stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Here we lion up, one tiny win at a time. We move from bronze to silver to the gold zone. We build self-mastery, career clarity, and money confidence to live independently. You have one life. Live it on your terms, not anyone else's. Let's begin. I'm Yakira Didia, your independence guide, the creator of LionUP and the GoldZone cycle. Want to escape stuck? Subscribe, share this with a friend, and grab the independence quiz in the description. Ever spent an hour making the perfect plan and skip the one step that matters? You're not lazy. That's Silver Zone, the middle brain that's running the show. We're shining light on silver, the zone that looks responsible but doesn't move your life. The three brain zones. Understanding your mental operating system is the key to breaking free from autopilot mode. We have the lower brain, the bronze zone, freeze mode, paralyzed by fear and overwhelm. We have the middle brain, that's the silver zone, autopilot, busy, motion without real meaning or progress. And we have the upper brain, the gold zone, clear and creative, your best self mindset in flow. Lion Up is your one move to shift from silver to gold. It's about choosing progress, meaning over motion. Silver looks busy, but you feel numb. I made the prettiest plan for a project I wasn't starting. People said, you're so organized. Inside, I felt hollow. That's silver, the middle brain working hard to keep you approved. Motion without meaning. So renaming files, color coding, rereading the rules. Outside looks smooth, inside you stall. The approval trap. Silver gets praise from others, but leaves you feeling empty and disconnected from real progress. Hollow productivity. Busy work that looks impressive but doesn't move your life forward in any meaningful way. The resume story. Student M kept saying, I keep reformatting my resume. We didn't smash the planner. We did a trade. One honest piece. So the problem was endless formatting, font changes, and layout tweaks. Perfect looking document with no real substance or heart. The solution? She wrote one bullet under one job that actually showed value. Small, true. Now the paper had a heartbeat. The result? The numb feeling eased. Real progress replaced busy work. Busy doesn't equal forward. Trade, polish, for one honest piece. Silver is sneaky because it gets praise, but praise doesn't equal progress. Progress is when something real exists in the world. Polish mode, endless tweaking and perfecting without substance. Honest piece, one real authentic element that adds genuine value. And then you have real progress. Something meaningful exists in the world. So I want to give you reflection questions. Take a moment to honestly examine your own silver zone pattern and habits. 1. Your silver habit. What's your favorite silver habit? Tweaking, cleaning, over planning. Notice it without judgment. And then the trade. If you traded 10 minutes of polish for one honest piece, what would it be? Be specific. 3. Body awareness. How does your body feel after creating an honest piece lighter? Lower shoulders, more alive. Parent lighthouse moment. Parents praise the action, not the piece. Say, I see the email you sent, not nice spreadsheet, right? When we praise the planning and organizing instead of the actual doing, we accidentally reinforce silver zone behavior. Our children learn to value appearance over substance. Instead of this, your room looks so organized. What a beautiful planner. You're so prepared. Try this. I noticed you finished your project. You sent that important email. Something real got done today. Notice, nudge, done. The simple 3-step process to escape silver zone, autopilot, and return to what truly counts. First, you have to notice. Catch yourself in the polish loop. Awareness without judgment is the first step to freedom. Nudge, gentle redirect toward one piece that helps future you. Small moves, big impact. Done. Stop when that piece is complete. See the proof. Breathe in the accomplishment. You're gentle. Try it. Ready for a small experiment? This isn't about perfection. It's about noticing the difference between polish and progress. Find your loop. Identify one polish loop you do regularly. Maybe it's reorganizing files, tweaking presentations, or perfecting plans. Make the trade. Trade just 5 minutes of polishing for one true piece that moves you forward. Keep it small and honest. Stop and breathe. When that piece is done, stop, breathe, enjoy the gold zone. Notice how your body feels different when you create something real versus when you polish something that's already good enough. LionUP is your call and response. I'm not my zone. I'm the one noticing. LionUP is my move. GoldZone is my best self mindset. Clear, calm, creative, in flow. You have the power to notice when you're stuck in silver zone, autopilot. You can choose progress over polish, meaning over motion. Your one move, your LionUP is always available. Remember, silver looks busy but feels numb. Gold feels alive and moves your life forward. The choice is always yours. Let your eyes see the proof. Breathe in the accomplishment. Under the skin, we're all lions. When a young lion leaves the pride, it's not because it's ready to do everything. It's because it's ready to learn. I'm Yakira Didia, your independence guide. Remember, stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Be kind, be brave, lion up.
Are you stuck?
Come on!